Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have your backups ready and you're at the machine. Start now by closing apps that aren't necessary. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and sort by CPU and disk usage so you can spot culprits quickly. Once done, disconnect USB drives and peripherals to rule out external hardware. Make sure your system isn't updating in the background. If it is, pause updates and note which process holds high I/O or memory before moving to the next step. You're now isolating software layers. Perform a clean boot or boot into safe mode to see if hanging persists with minimal drivers. Run System Integrity Tools, SFC and CHKDSK on Windows, Disk Utility First Aid on Mac, to repair corrupted files that cause freezes. Once those complete, update drivers and firmware for network, storage, and GPU. Outdated drivers often produce hangs. Finally, run a full malware scan, because persistent background processes can lock resources and create intermittent system freezes. You're finishing the fix. Uninstall any recently added apps or updates that correspond with when hangs began and roll back drivers if necessary. If hangs continue, consider an in-place OS repair or a reinstall after exporting settings. That usually resolves deep software corruption. Monitor the system for 24 to 48 hours using logs, Event Viewer on Windows or Console on Mac, and capture timestamps. If things go wrong, revert to a known good snapshot or restore point before attempting more aggressive repairs. That's your insurance policy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.